Hello everyone, this is Dishanya from CSM department. Today my topic is function definition, function declaration, function call with example. Introduction to function in C. What is function? Function declaration in C. Syntax of functions declaration. Function definition in C. Syntax of function declaration. Function call in C. How to call a function. Complete example of program. Example. Explanation of C program. Benefits using function. Reference. We see first introduction to function. Function in C helps organize code into reusable blocks. They improve code reliability and maintainability. Understanding functions is essential for effective programming in C. What is a function in C? A function is a named block of code defined to perform a specific task. Function takes input data, process it, and may return a result. They enable code modability and help avoid redundancy. Function declaration in C. Function declaration informs the compiler about the function's name, return type, and parameters. It is usually placed before the main function or in header files. Syntax includes the return type, function name, and parameter list. Syntax of function declaration. Int add declares a function named add. The declaration does not contain the function body. It allows the function to be used before its actual definition in the code. Function declaration in C. Function definition provides the actual implementation of the declared function. It includes the function's return type, name, parameter, and body. The definition must match the declaration in terms of parameters and return type. Syntax of function definition. Int add bracket int a comma int b defines the add function. The body contains the statement that performs the task. The function returns a value of the specified return type. Function call in C. A function call invokes a function execution from another part of the program. It uses the function's name formed by parentheses containing arguments. The program execution jumps to the function code and return after complementation. How to call a function. Example. Result is equals to add 5 comma 3 calls the add function with arguments 5 and 3. The arguments are passed to the function's parameters during the call. The result value can be stored in a variable or used directly. Complete example of program. The program denotes declaration, definition, and calling of a function. It calculates the sum of the two numbers using a custom function. This example illustrates all aspects of function usage in C. Example hash include stdio.h int add int t int main bracket int result is equals to add 10 comma 20 printf sum percent d slash n result return 0 bracket int add int a comma int b return a plus b flower bracket close. This program declares definitions and calls the add function. It displays the sum of two numbers on the screen. This example encapsulates core concepts of function in C. Benefits of using function. Function promotes code reuse and reduce depletion. They make program easier to read, understand, and debug. Using function simplifies complex program solving by breaking takes into the smaller parts. Reference. These are the reference pictures. Thank you.